Today we're going to take a look at a car we've seen a lot on the road lately, the Jaecoo J7. It was launched way back in July, so you may already know why it looks a bit like a Range Rover and all that jazz. We'll put that info in the description. In this review, we'll cover its main features, what we think should be on a future facelift, and highlight a very useful feature no one talks about.
Hi! Jaecoo J7.
Okay, so this morning we are here with Abang Jeff.
Hello, I am Abang Jeff from Jaecoo Carson, Penang.
Yes, Abang Jeff.
Yeah.
Very popular guy on TikTok also, I heard.
Nice to meet you all.
Okay, so Abang Jeff, tell us about this car. What about the specs? I heard there are two variations, right?
Yeah, this Jaecoo J7 actually have two variants. One is two-wheel drive, then one is the all-wheel drive, means four-wheel and two-wheel. Two-wheel price around is 138,800. With the all-wheel drive is 148,800.
How do you tell the difference? As far as I can see, I can only tell the difference on the badging, but I heard there are more.
Different, not much different. All safety features all is same.
Okay, that's good.
Both means all-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. All-wheel drive and two-wheel drive is mostly is same. Only the screen.
The screen,
smaller 2-inch.
We are in the two-wheel drive, right now?
Now this is a two-wheel drive. Okay. Different only you can see the screen is different 2-inch. Then the drive mode for all-wheel drive. Normal is the two-wheel drive is 3 mode only lah. Only have normal, sport, and eco. Right. Then for all-wheel drive have 7 mode lah. With the sand mode, sand mode. Another 4 mode is for off-road one lah.
Off-road lah. Makes sense lah because all-wheel drive kan. So how big is this screen? This two-wheel drive screen?
13.2 inch.
So the other one is about
14.8.
14.8 lah, like what you said. Okay, so how about the engine specs?
Engine spec, this car is come with a 4-cylinder engine, 1.6 turbo. So the 1.6 turbo for your maintenance, for your road tax also cheaper lah.
Yeah,
because the engine also use 4.3 liter engine oil. Only compared with other is more maintenance for economic lah we call.
More economical lah to run. So it's turbocharged, right? This one?
Yeah, turbocharged. Then similar 2.0 cc car no?
Similar. Oh, that means so the specs about what? The horsepower 194
and 290
torque. That's not bad, right?
Yeah.
How heavy is this car?
How heavy is 1.6 ton, 1638.
Hey, it's not very heavy, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna go through the materials here to let people know. Okay, soft touch. Okay, nice and good.
Then this
soft touch also.
Come with the ambient light.
Ambient light,
then it's
soft touch.
Aluminium trim.
Okay, yeah. Very nice, all soft. Oh, this is aircon as well.
Yeah, aircon also.
Cool, very nice. The stop button, lights are here. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is the
so this one you can scan your eyes when you driving. You touch your phone. They also ask you drink some coffee if you tired.
Okay.
If not, your eyes not focused on the road. So they will let you know. As you drink coffee.
I noticed that usually the two-wheel drive variant they take away some of these features. This one has heads-up display.
Head-up display.
Not bad.
For premium cars that have lah, but this one 140 plus also can get some premium car features lah.
Yeah. Okay, before I go and ask you a bit more, I just going to check out a few more things. Speaker, is it?
This is amplifier.
Amplifier.
This one have filter or wireless or some haze. The filter also can function.
I gotta tell you, this reminds me of Volvo.
Yeah.
Right.
Because
last time I sell Volvo. Oh, you sell?
last time I'm from Volvo also.
Volvo. Okay. Can I open this? Open
You can open this one. Have light. You bring the fan on. You want to make up.
Two-tone or single-tone?
Single-tone.
Was it the E5 Omoda E5, your sister company, right? So by the way, same engine as the Tiggo 7 Pro, right?
Tiggo 7, but this consider is premium lah.
Okay. You see this soft touch? I like this because a lot of cars plastic in it. Sounds very nice. Soft touch. Oh, no wonder there's premium in the name.
Then
Sony sound system. Okay, let's see whether there's light or not here. Okay lah, there's light lah. It's lit. Okay, so wireless charging, yeah?
This is a wireless charging.
One or two phones? Oh,
One.
it's ventilated.
Ventilated. Because this is a high, we call fast charge ma. So
Fast charge.
55 watts. So they scared sometimes with phone, our phone will hit ma. So you have ventilation. Take care your phone.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. So rubberized, so it won't slip. 50 watts, right?
55.
55.
Yeah.
Rubberized. Rubberized. And let's see. Okay. Seats are okay, quite comfortable.
This is considered.
Wait. That's why it's pressing. Okay, never mind.
This is a chiller. You can put some drinks.
Rubberized also.
Yeah.
Okay. So
the leather also synthetic leather, not the PU leather.
So vegan leather lah, vegan leather.
This is a tissue compartment.
Tissue compartment.
Yeah, you can put the tissue.
So the
here.
tissue.
Not
bad.
here.
Not bad. Alright. Okay, so it's actually removable and felt. Okay, so it's not bad.
That is a futuristic gear shift.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Looks like
fighter
airplane.
jet.
Yeah, fighter jet. Okay, so below here, you got one USB-C, one USB-A. More storage compartments is rubberized also.
You can put your bag.
Yeah, not bad.
Also
It goes all the way back until here. Not bad. It's okay. Legroom is fine. I'm 167. Abang Jeff, how tall are you?
175.
You 175?
Yeah.
Oh, enough headroom lah.
Headroom
Enough.
also okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I noticed this, one huge sunroof.
Yeah, this one we can open the sunroof without press any button. We just call the Jaecoo only. Hello Jaecoo.
I'm here.
Open sunshade.
Okay.
Hey, quite fast,
Yeah, the detect now. The detect very fast one.
Okay, that was faster than because we just tested the Atto 3. Took a few seconds, but this one is quite fast. How
Hello
about the
Jaecoo.
sunroof? Yeah.
Hello Jaecoo.
I'm listening.
Open sunroof.
Okay.
Huge. Nice.
Hello Jaecoo. Close the sunroof. Close the sunroof.
Okay.
Oh, because it's a bit noisy here. Yeah. They're polishing cars behind us. Yeah. Oh, nice. So when it can hear you, it's quite fast actually,
Quite fast.
Not bad. It's almost immediate, Very fast. How sharp is the screen? It's pretty good,
You can see very small.
What are the features,
features. So normally this one advanced features we have 540 camera. This one setting you see. You can see surrounding when you're parking.
Yeah.
For ladies it's better lah. This
The
one.
safety is safer,
You can see surrounding. When you parking if you close to the car, they will alert you. You see, you can see the back. But this one is automatic one. Front you also can see the distance with your front and rear lah. This one. Then when you go to the off road, you can see transparent. You can see this one. You can see kayu.
What's underneath? That's why 540, right? Okay.
Then you going off road, you don't know have any batu or what pokok lah. You can see here. This one very transparent.
Sorry, I just noticed the interesting color. Cause
this one is very special color.
Okay, alright.
Real nice aspect.
Sure. The green is interesting. Okay, so actually backing up so you can actually see this thing in action. Okay, so just checking this to see whether it's solid because you saw on some other reviews that this thing can move but it cannot move. Everything is solid, not bad. Okay, cubbies and all that. So, okay, back to the what you're talking about, the fuel consumption.
Fuel consumption, this car come with if all-wheel drive is 7.7 liter per 100 kilometer.
Not too bad.
For two-wheel drive is 7 liter per 100 kilometer. Not different too much.
Not different too much lah.
Yeah.
So pickup is about 9 seconds plus
9
both of them.
Normal is 9 seconds. Compare with others, this considered okay lah, family car.
Okay, and also it's an SUV lah.
Yeah,
You know? 10 years ago, your car below 10 seconds fast, right?
Last time car big CC also cannot get 9 seconds also, right?
Yeah. So it's not bad. I think the two-wheel drive is actually slightly faster in terms of pickup, right?
For Japanese car, a lot of two-wheel drive. So some customer they can choose two-wheel drive, no? For premium car, they can choose all-wheel drive because
All-wheel drive,
not different too much. Only 10,000 only, lah.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, what? These are speakers, right? Very unique.
This is speaker, luxury looking.
Yeah, that's right. This is some aircon vents, and yeah, the side mirror is huge, so you can see everything very clearly. Yeah, not bad. Okay, I think let's take a look outside. Maybe at the we go to the back seat first.
Yeah.
Very nice. I don't know where you can see this texture. So the seats, let's see what we have here. Oh, we got mini pockets, 2 mini pockets and 1 big pocket for both.
Yeah.
Some cars now they only give you one on one side behind the front passenger. That's it.
Then this one also where like explain
Some space here. Oh, but the aircon only one.
But you can feel the air is very
cool lah. Yes,
very
and that's
heavy.
one thing that I find very good. So far, no complaints. It's a warm day actually, but in the car it's so nice and cool.
Then you can see the seat also can decline here.
Can decline. Yeah. So 60/40,
60/40, then also can decline.
Okay, can decline a bit more. Okay, so you got the
this one considered is cup holder.
cup holder. Okay.
Yeah, another one want to explain with you here. We call have another features when have car close to you, have motorbike close to you. Here will show you the light, the orange color light. This is for safety lah. Someone we call door opening warning. This one have the light.
I
This is,
see.
even you buy the Volvo car, very good safety one also don't have. This one is special features. When you want to open the door, they will alert you.
Here.
Have motorbike, have bicycle. This one, this we call door opening warning.
Yeah. By the way, your ADAS is which level? 2.5?
ADAS is 2.5, latest one.
Not bad. Not
Yeah,
bad
yeah.
for some. Yeah, there's a Sony speaker here. Right. Oh, the seats, I gotta say, comfortable, not bad.
Comfortable, yeah.
Oh,
Very
comfortable.
soft one. You
Yeah.
not hard.
Yeah,
One.
firm lah, firm, not too
Yeah,
hard.
yeah,
Nice headrest, Nice headrest. Curved in.
Then the headlight also bigger, loh. You can.
By the way, so Abang Jeff here is
Yeah.
about 175, right? And I'm 167.
175.
This is his driving position. And look at how much space I have here. Look at that.
You see, also have two.
Yeah. Let's see. Even with his hair, I got not much hair. Enough space.
Okay.
Alright, not bad. So you will feel comfortable lah. Small family, not bad.
Then you must focus at least here don't have bumps.
Yeah.
You want to sitting 3 person also can.
No problem.
Because some car you want to sit 3 person have bump here. You feel not uncomfortable lah. But this one is comfortable.
Comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh, I like this lah. So soft and nice. And the texture, they took effort to design this. Right? Very nice. Speakers are here. Oh, here the warning lah. You can see the speakers here. Right? Okay, let's have a look at the boot. Okay, the space. Okay.
Here come with the full size spare tire.
Yeah, full size. Haven't seen that in a long time.
Same as the
Alright.
actual rim, 19 inch.
19 inch,
Yeah.
Oh,
Then it's 412 liter.
412. If you put this down,
1,000.
1000
Yeah. This one
Alright.
is good one.
Toner cover. Yeah. Alright.
Privacy there. Privacy.
What's this one? What's under here? Oh, this is the other end. Okay, that's fine.
Normally, sometimes this one can put here.
Right.
When you go to camping, you can cooking something. Put here, you can sit. You can sit here, makan. You can pull down. Then you can sit here, makan. Sit beside here.
Oh, very innovative. Very imaginative.
This one
Okay.
you pull down. Sometimes you bring your kid go to camping, you can let the kid sitting here. Put your
Oh, I
food here,
see.
makan.
I see.
Ya, makan sini.
Okay, not bad.
for the booth also have safety lah. When normally we put down, then this is for safety.
Oh, very light, huh? Very light. Not bad. Okay, let's talk about the tires before we move on to the boot. The tires are 235.
This tire is 235, 50 and 19.
So if to change a tire, how much?
I think around 700 lah.
700 lah per piece per piece. Okay. So all-wheel drive, same rim.
Same rim, same size, all is same.
Same lah, standard lah, easier lah.
Yeah.
Okay. So actually, this one really looks like a Range Rover.
Yeah, because Range Rover is the joint venture with the Chery.
Here's a segue into the hidden feature of the J7. The Jaecoo J7 can do something that many SUVs in this price range can't. It can wade in 60 cm of water. Depending on the model, Range Rovers can wade in anywhere from 53 cm to 90 cm of water. This ability would come in very handy in our current weather conditions. On the J7, 60 cm stretches from the ground to the top of the wheel rim. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, okay. Very clean. Turbocharged engine, right? Okay.
Then this engine is you timing change, not like old school engine use
Belt.
timing belt. So for low maintenance.
Low maintenance,
Then you can see inside here have we call safety impact bar.
Oh, safety impact. You can see it. Extra protection. Okay. Not too bad. Okay. Alright, so thank you Abang Jeff for spending some time with us to explain about the car. Where is the location here?
Our Jaecoo showroom in Penang, Sungai Pinang.
So thanks.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. All in all, the J7 looks to be a good deal. Of course, it could do with better tires, a bigger boot, another aircon vent for rear passengers, and maybe tweak the front armrest position, so when open, it does not accidentally activate the Boss seat controls. Perhaps you'll see those updates in a future facelift. A big thank you to everyone at Karshan Sungai Pinang for accommodating us at the very last minute, especially Abang Jeff and Jolene. If you like our content, please click the like and subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.